playing I Am Bird. So it's kind of like I Am Monkey and I Am Cat, but I am a bird this time. And it says we need to go over here. So we can fly like a bird, obviously. That's what a bird does. Oh yeah.
Compliance requested. 30 seconds remain. Relocate to the main square immediately. Dramatic size allowed.
Let's go over here. It says I need to be here. Oh, missed my jump. Okay, there. Good here. I'm gonna go walk here. Welcome. Okay, welcome. Let's start with a city overview. Okay. Reach the highest point. You can go.
The mayor is speaking now. Proceed to the central square at once.
What is that? Why are they aiming at me? What did I do? Oh no, what did I do? Seriously, what did I do? What did I do? What did I possibly do? I just started. Please, man. Oh wow. What did I even do? I'm just a little bird. That's literally all I did. I'm literally just a little bird. Okay, back. Can I grab it? I can. Is this what I need to use to defend my? Oh my, we have all of this. All I need is a sword. I can be like a samurai and block every shot. Boom, boom. What is this? Can I have how much money do I have? Can I even get anything?
Requested. 30 seconds remain.
Daggers?
Relocate to the main square immediately.
I'll get this though.
Dramatic size allowed.
Can't grab it. Hello? Can't grab it. What? I literally can't grab it. I can't grab it.
Ongoing. Address in progress. Report to the main square and look purposeful.
This is all I needed. Let's go. Hero Bird is right here. Can I talk to him? Complete tourist. First, then come back. Okay. So I gotta push through. Oh, I gotta go over here. I'm right over here. Oh my, what? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? You're telling me these people are demolishing me because of that? And I couldn't even get one of these. Are you serious? No, I'm just gonna grab this and take my sword. That's the only thing I have to protect me. No, we cannot be friends because these people are attacking me.
Directive. T-30.
What? I just did.
Proceed to the central square.
Bam! Why is this my first mission? I literally just started playing this game. Why would this be my first mission? Need help. Help me. Okay. You got it? What? Oh, we're hiding? Little sea monsters. Wait, can I get two of these?
We'll pick it up later.
Get this one. I did it.
Pin it high.
Guess that, I'm not. Oh my. Can't do this. It's so hard. Why? Okay, I need to lock in and be the best bird ever. I need 2 of these. Fly like a bird. Oh, alright, set up. Fly like a bird. Where do we need to go first? How should I do this? Should I just fly around? Next, discover?
This block's
Compliance requested. 30 seconds remaining.
I'll forget later.
Ma'am? I'm not sorry. I'm joking. Actually, what is that? Wait. Thief. I'm good. You're not aiming for me, right? Charlie, why, what is my last part? One. It happened. I'm not on one. Do this. Over here.
stand down.
Fly like a bird. Fly like. Are you serious? Fly like a bird. Are you serious? Fly like a bird. Let's go. Boom, boom, bada boom. Police station. What can I do there? Can I just attack the car?
Almost there. Eyes catch color. Feet keep time.
We do this. We do this.
Here.
Where did I drop
Traffic
my
like a
seat?
metronome.
Can I get them
Keep
back?
going. Traffic
Can I-
like a metronome.
Trying to grab it. Wait, that. Oh my. Okay, well. Where's the thing? Come on, no, I gotta save that bird. I gotta save the bird. What do I do? Don't worry, Birdie. I'm gonna save you. Birdie, I'm gonna save you. Ah! Birdie, I'm gonna come. I'm saving you, Birdie. Boom, boom, boom. Birdie, give me that.
Area quiet.
Birdie, you're gonna live, Birdie. Also, guys, when you're watching this, remember, I'm gonna do something. You guys, make sure you guys comment what game I should play next on VR. Or just any game. I have $16. I have $16 on this too.
This is a no-perch zone. Night ski rat.
Is this what I think it is? Really? Grab my foot. I got it. I got you. I got you. Love you. What's my one? It's 2 stars.
Inside now. Not safe. No pick policy enforced.
Oh my, why did that do that so much damage? No! RIP me.
Corners feel friendly today.
Let's grab this. Protection only. Gosh, Why am I? Why? Oh my God! I don't think I want to put that. What? Boom! Boom! Boom!
Stay low. Stay low.
No pet policy enforced.
You are not gonna catch this.
Take the hint. Homicide.
Snack team needs snack attack. Grounded.
Target acquired. Heat.
Oh wait, I need help. Oh, I need help. 'Cause I'm hurt. I just tried to save my furry friend. Pigeon friends. Some people were beating him up. I had to. Yeah, I think the gun's lost forever. How much? I'm just gonna gain.
Vanished like
Get
my paycheck.
these to fight. Boom. Let's go, let's go. Pigeon game. What?
Skip puddle.
Oh, I messed that up.
My shadow sidewalk and cafe smells dangerous.
I feel like I've heard that
Good
voice
enough.
before. Hey man. What? Why? Nah, dude.
Air traffic denied.
Because I am a bird. What did I do? Literally, he was doing spray painting. He literally was spray painting. That's not fair. Just go in this. Oh my, I just ruined it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, now they're all praising me. What's that?
Lead it. Send.
My attacking was not working. I repeat, my attacking was not working. Let's get this. Just one more time. We might as well go in. Let's go.
Calling it.
Let's go. Safe. Let's attack this drone real quick though. Let's go. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. What? Okay. Well, anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video when this loads up. What? Well, anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment what game I should play next. Well, guys, bye. Bye. Okay.